What's up, everybody? So today we're going to be talking about the FeiyuTech AK2000. If you're new here, my name is Amauris Hernandez, and that's how you say Amauris. So FeiyuTech sent me this gimbal to review. Not sponsored or anything, they just wanted me to review it for them. So here we are. When I grabbed it, it felt exactly like the Crane 2, which is my favorite gimbal that I never owned. It has 4 modes. Hold on, I had it locked. So there's a button real quick here to lock your settings. That way if you accidentally touch the touch screen, nothing happens. HF is like pretty much the basic. The normal mode. I call it the normal mode. And then we got TF, which is like POV. As you can see it. It has that POV type of feel to it, which is what it is. I don't know why it's TF. Just name it POV. FeiyuTech, just name it POV. Then we have all focus mode. This one I actually like. It kind of reminds me of a steady cam. When you go like that. Whoop. I definitely need more practice with it, but it's definitely more fun. And it has a trigger just like the new gimbals, any new gimbal, to reset it. I do like this touchscreen. So we got this right there. It's pretty much to control the wheel. Then we go back, so it's just inactive. If you swipe to the left, if you swipe to the right, you have the ISO, and you have, I forgot the name of this, but mainly when you say your ISO is to auto, then you control that. And if you swipe one more time to your right, you have your auto white balance. You got the Kelvin, which is a plus. So I personally don't use this, but that's handy if you're someone that does. If you see my YouTube video right here, the photo challenge, I use this gimbal. So you can see it reacts really slow, which one of the reasons I don't like the app. But when you want to reset it, it jumps quick. Here you can do set up the gimbal to your needs. I actually like it how it came out of the box. It works perfectly. So you can shift the trigger to be like lock mode, which is like the standard for most gimbals. So let's do a quick follow. I changed it, hit the trigger, so it acts like sports mode, which is not bad compared to I personally prefer the sports mode of the Ronin S over this one. But this does the job too as well. It's not bad. Now let's go to head pitch follow, just POV. As you can see, I'm pretty sure I can do that with the Ronin S. I'm just gonna compare it to the Ronin S. Features that I see that are comparable. This is super quick and easy to do compared to the Ronin app, compared to the Ronin S app, where you gotta do more. You just go like this. You want lock mode, save, that's it. All right, so I left it in lock mode. Auto rotation. So this is where you gotta set up the gimbal. So as you know, the A7 III has S&Q mode, so pretty much a time lapse into video, so you don't have to go from photo to photo and convert it to video in post. So it's done all in camera. So there's a mode called here auto rotation. Right there. And you set it from point A to point B. Alright, so here pretty much auto rotation. Let's start the panning. I don't want to do 1 minute. Let's go 30 seconds for that as well. Let's do everything 30-30. So now when I go to auto rotation, it's already ready to go. I want it to kind of go like something like that. Let's see if it works. Before I hit start, and there you see it go. It's easier to set it up in the phone because there's no way of doing it in the gimbal itself. So yeah, let's see. Let's see the results. The most important thing for me of this gimbal that pretty much made me love it even more. The breakdown. The legs in the middle. I don't even think the Weebill Live can do this. Yeah, the Weebill Live cannot do this actually. It's just the legs. Look how small this breaks down to. I just break, you know, when I put it away, I just unscrew everything. Doesn't matter, I just balance it right away. But this is so small and compact compared to the Ronin S or the Weebill for me. This one is 2.8 kilograms, so that's about 6.1 pounds, which is not bad. For my setup, I think that's perfect. This is definitely my go-to gimbal right now. Not gonna lie. FeiyuTech was never on my radar. It's always been Moza, Zhiyun or Zhiyun, and the Ronin. I like this a lot. At least this system, I like a lot. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.